If this can work for me, definitely it can also work for you. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a USA Facebook account that cannot be easily be bound. Yes, it is possible for you to have a Facebook account, a US Facebook account that cannot be easily be bound. But meanwhile, it can be bound, it can be disabled if you violated their community standard. But as long as you didn't go engage their community standard, it cannot be easily be bound. And all what you just need for you to get this USA Facebook account and other countries and this app is just for you to have these three apps that is about to display on my full screen right away. With the help of these three apps, able to have your USA Facebook account that cannot be easily be bound. The first thing that you need to have for this to work perfectly for you right away, just go to your Google Play Store